Hello and welcome to a CLM Products informational video. Today we'll be going over the Brinkley CLM4 filtration kit. Once everything has been removed from the box, you will have your filtration kit, your PPC, CTO, and LCB housings, your first set of filters within those housings, your wrench, additional gaskets for your water inlet, and your filtration kit bag. When assembling your unit, be sure to remove everything from the housings. All filters come shrink wrapped, and you will have to remove the plastic prior to use. Once the shrink wrap has been removed and filters have been placed in their respective housings, we will start by installing the number 2 CTO first. An easy way to install the housings is to set the filtration kit on its back side. Hand tighten and finish with the wrench. Now there is a stopper right here, so you won't over tighten the housing. Push your locking clip down into place and repeat steps for 1 and 3. Once all 3 housings have been properly installed, we will place our wrench and the gaskets into the bottom of our filtration kit and place everything into the filtration kit bag. Be sure to flush all new filters for 5 minutes prior to use. To use your filtration kit, remove the red end caps, take the hose from your water source, and connect it to the swivel inlet. Next, we'll take the hose from the kit to our RV and place that on the outlet. We suggest using a drinking water certified hose from the kit to the RV. Each RV will have its own specific location for water inlets. When storing the filtration kit, place the red end caps back on. When it's time to replace the filters, simply scan the QR code on the housing, which will take you directly to our website, where you're able to order replacement filters. Replacement filters come color and number coordinated to the respective housing.